A refrigeration repair company charges $80 for the first half hour of work and $60 for each additional hour. Blue Mountain Camp has budgeted $200 to repair its walk-in cooler. For what lengths of a service call will the budget not be exceeded? Let's use our 5-step problem-solving process to solve this problem, and the first step is to familiarize ourselves with the situation. We'll let T equal the hours worked, and let's see what the charge would be in terms of T. Well, the charge would be $80 for the first half hour plus $60 for each hour after that first half hour. So we need to multiply 60 times the number of hours worked minus the first half hour, which is already covered in the $80 charge. Now when we move to the translate step, we're looking for the number of hours for which the budget will not be exceeded. And that means we need to solve the inequality 80 plus 60 times T minus 1/2 is less than or equal to 200. Then that $200 budget will not be exceeded. Well, the next step is to carry out, so we will solve this inequality. Let's multiply. We have 80 plus 60T minus 60 times 1/2 is 30 is less than or equal to 200. 80 minus 30 is 50. That gives us 60T plus 50 is less than or equal to 200. Subtracting 50 from both sides, we have 60T is less than or equal to 150. Now finally we can divide both sides by 60 and we would get T is less than or equal to 2.5. We can check by redoing the calculations. We can check by trying some times that are less than 2.5 hours. And we'd find that all times less than 2.5 hours would not exceed the budget of $200. So as our final step, we state that the service call for the refrigeration company must be less than or equal to or equal to 2.5 or 2.5 hours.